Hello. Today we'll be making Diamond Maxi bricks using our mix of materials. 3 parts river sand, 2 parts concrete stones, and 1 part cement. We'll be using a paving mold as our measuring tool to ensure consistency. We start by measuring 3 parts of river sand using the paving mold. This will be precisely 3 full paving molds of river sand, ensuring consistent proportions for a quality mix. Next, we move on to measuring 2 parts of concrete stones. These stones provide additional strength and stability to the final bricks. Following this, we add 1 part cement, which is a key binding agent holding everything together and giving our Diamond Maxi bricks their final strength and durability. After preparing the mixture, we make sure we have everything ready. Concrete stones, river sand, and cement. Before adding water, we first mix all the dry ingredients together to ensure even distribution, preventing clumps or inconsistencies. Then we gradually add water, mixing it thoroughly to reach the desired consistency for the brick mold. Next, we proceed to making the brick using a red maxi plastic mold. We start by applying a releasing agent. This step ensures that the bricks come out of the mold smoothly, without sticking, and helps achieve a nice, smooth surface finish. At this stage, we also apply oxide to give the bricks their distinct color. We sprinkle a bit of pink oxide powder inside the mold for a vibrant touch, and sprinkle orange oxide, focusing specifically on the diamond side of the mold to create a unique design. Before proceeding, we mix again to make sure everything is thoroughly combined. Leaving your mix for a while can cause the components to start separating from the water, so it's always good to remix before use. After that, we begin adding the mixture to the mold and fill it up completely. To settle the mixture evenly, we hit the mold gently on the ground or use a vibrating table, helping remove air pockets for a well-packed brick. After that, we're done and let it set and cure for the next day. Now, we begin demolding the brick. Carefully removing the mold ensures the brick retains its shape without any damage. Thanks to the releasing agent, the mold comes off smoothly, revealing the Diamond Maxi Brick underneath. The brick looks nice and strong, with the oxide colors giving it a unique appearance. Proper curing will further enhance its strength, making it ready for use. We hope you enjoyed watching our process. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more of how we make these bricks and follow along as we experiment with different colors and techniques. There's plenty more to come. And to see our products, including the molds and machines we use, visit tlstore.co.za.